Hey, this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I've got a brilliant one for you that you're going to love. It's pumpkin season and it's perfect for making yourself a sausage and autumn tray bake using your air fryer. We're going to be cooking it all in a foil tray. So this means that you don't have to worry about an air fryer getting dirty because we're going to keep the air fryer clean. So we're going to be using equal quantities of butternut squash, sweet potato and pumpkin. All of them are cubed up and there's 175 grams, which is about 6 ounces of each of them. So it's perfect for throwing it all in a foil tray and having a quick tray bake thanks to the air fryer. So what you need to do is you need to start by cooking the vegetables because they take longer than the sausages. And we've halved the sausages because then it makes it easier for them to cook and then it leaves more space in the tray as well. And then we're going to turn it into a lovely sticky tray bake thanks to some honey and some mustard. And of course we're going to season it with some pumpkin pie spice, and I've also got some oregano here as well. If you don't like pumpkin spice, then of course you can leave it out, just double up the oregano. But it's a lovely all-in-one dish that's so easy and perfect for this time of year when there's plenty of pumpkin, sweet potato and butternut squash in season. So, shall we get started? So you want to start by grabbing your foil tray. And if you've not used the foil trays before, then you can get them in packs of 30 from Amazon, and I also find that they come up at car boots as well. We were introduced to them by a lovely lady called Pat, and they're mentioned quite a lot in our second air fryer cookbook, Air Fry Easy Every Day, but they're just perfect and you can get them for different shapes and sizes, and they're brilliant for a recipe like this where we're going to be adding some stickiness to it and we don't want to be getting the air fry covered in honey. So start by adding your veggie. So that's the butternut squash, the sweet potato and the pumpkin. If you look there, perfect size for this kind of tray as well, and remember they do reduce in size as they cook. Then let me get it in shot for you, and then you want to add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, some dried oregano, some pumpkin pie spice if that's your thing. It doesn't matter if it isn't, because like I say, you can double up on your oregano. Bit of salt, some pepper, and then get your hands in there and give it all a good mix. So I've washed my hands and now we can get it on. So air fry basket open, pop in your tray like we've done there. So now turn it on and you're looking for a temperature of 200 Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, a cook time of 15 minutes, and then press start. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? Following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook, it has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And we've beef, so should we check on those first? Oh, look at those, don't they look lovely? Oh, can we just admire those for a minute, because I just love autumn veg cooked in the air fryer. If you don't want to make a sausage tray bake and you just want a side dish of some vegetables for dinner, then this is it. So, shall we make this into a tray bake? First of all, you want to give them a shake about, so I find the easiest way to do this is to remove them, and then what you can do is you can just give them a good shake like that. And then a little bowl like this is brilliant for mixing your sticky marinade. A little bit of olive oil, not too much. Some honey. A little bit of mustard. And then we're just going to give it a good mix. And then just give it a stir and it'll look like this. Now I've got loads of leftover hot honey in my pantry that needs using up because I got some ages ago and I just kind of forgot about it. So you can use regular honey or you can swap it for maple syrup for a true autumn feel. And then pour it into your vegetables. And then we're going to give it another shake. And then you're going to add your sausages on top. And then look at that, it's ready to go back on. So grab your air fry basket back out. And then let's pop in your Traybake. Oh, that looks yummy. Can't wait to have that. So to set the time and temp, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then we're going to adjust the cooking time to 10 minutes and then press start. And we've beeped. So should we check on it? Oh wow, look at that. Now you're talking. Isn't that amazing that you can just put that together in a little tray in the air fryer? It's just the simplicity of it. I just love it, you know, and it reminds me very much of what I call the harvest casserole and what we call our breakfast brunch bowls that's in the complete air fryer cookbook, so our first air fryer book. And it was one of a handful of recipes that were submitted by my literary agent to my publishers, or future publishers I should say, that got us a cookbook deal. So it's the kind of food I like to eat, where you just got some simple vegetables going in the air fryer with some sausages. It's just so simple yet so yummy, and it's another version of a sausage tray bake. But oh, so there you have it. We've got sausages, butternut squash, parsnips, sweet potato tray bake with honey and mustard, and it's just absolutely delicious, served with a side of creamed cabbage. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end, and of course that must mean that you like our videos, so why not also follow us on social media. You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook, and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one, and you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week, and we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.